I'm going to jump right into a demo of the next generation of problem-solving sensors from SICK. This version is a DoubleLine. You can see it has two light spots that allow us to reliably detect shiny or foil type objects that normally give photoelectric sensors some fits. You can see here reliable detection. You've got the amber LED indicating the output, and then the screen from our software showing detection. This is also an effective way to detect really shiny objects, such as a mirror. So here you can see the light level received on the receiver, but the output stays solid all the way through all that. Next one we're showing is our foreground suppression model. This is made to see flat objects on a conveyor or a surface. So here we're detecting just little blue marks or tabs on a conveyor. It's simple setup, push and hold that teach button, and then you're up and running with reliable detection. Again, we'll see that in our SOPA software, free software, of course. The next one we're going to show here is going to be our MultiSwitch. So it's got two independent switching outputs. You'll see blue LEDs on the right and the left to indicate switching point 1 and switching point 2. So here with my finger underneath there, you see switching point 1 and then switching point 2. They're independent, so you can teach two different heights. Here we're going to teach the top of the sensor there, and then the sensor laying on its side. So if you had a packaging machine where orientation mattered, you get reliable detection on those two switching outputs and say, hey, good package, good package, good package. Oh, we got a laying down package all in one sensor. The sensor also can measure distance to an object. That's unique in a proximity type background suppression sensor. Normally we're only looking at longer range time of flight sensors to do this, but in the short range, less than 6 inches, this background suppression sensor is going to be the most accurate of any sensor you would have in a distance measurement sensor short range. The last one we'll show here is the V-Optic. This is where a sensor is really optimized for detection at a specific distance, and it performs excellent on clear materials. So here we're detecting glass at a distance of about 1 inch, maybe 2 inches, but without a reflector. So reliably detecting glass, and then we go into a thin film. This is a very thin film that can be tough for many sensors to detect. And then the last one is kind of a foil wrap here. We've got that around a business card, but you could see that around different packaging types, cigarettes, those kinds of things where we want to see that clear film without using a reflector. A V-Optic is an excellent solution. All of these sensors come with those blue LEDs and the latest and greatest technology. So here we're going to show ambient light immunity. Detecting clear while there's a bright light in the foreground. So if you want to see more of these problem-solving sensors from SICK, please reach out to your local SICK representative for more info or a demo.